Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we review the latest tech products in the market. In this video, we will be comparing Thermalright Intel 12th 13th generation LGA 1700 with Intel Core i5-13600K, so let's get started. Thermalright LGA 1700 is made with all aluminum alloy material, which makes it lightweight yet durable. It also comes with insulation foot pads to avoid any damage to the CPU cover during installation. On the other hand, Intel Core i5-13600K has no thermal solution included, which means extra cost. However, this product is compatible with Intel 600 and 700 chipset-based motherboards. Thermalright LGA 1700 comes with TF7 thermal paste and has a fixed aligner developed specifically for the Intel 12th generation CPU, which prevents any bending. With an easy installation process, you can expect a smoother experience, whereas Intel Core i5-13600K is a powerful CPU with 14 cores, 20 threads, and Intel UHD graphics 770, which guarantees a high performance. It also supports technologies like Turbo Boost Max 3.0, PCIe 5.0 and 4.0, and Intel Optane memory support. Thermalright LGA 1700 is priced at $11, while Intel Core i5-13600K is priced at $319. There's a huge difference in the price range of these two products. This may not be a direct comparison because Intel Core i5-13600 might be more expensive, but it's worth mentioning. Depending on your needs and usage, you can prioritize which product to purchase. That's all for this video, guys. We hope you found this comparison helpful in making an informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, comment your thoughts on these products, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching.